It's me. Buzz me in.
Me who?
Nisha!
Let's get trapped. You're not Nisha.
It's me, Megan. Oh, sorry about that. Erica has my keys.
Why does Erica have your keys?
Because she left them at home again.
That is not good.
I know. What are you gonna do?
Change the locks?
I'm just saying, if you moved in with me, I wouldn't have to wear your clothes.
I don't know. You are working that short robe.
Guys, I am so falling in love.
Oh, who are you falling in love with?
She met someone.
That's great. Who is he?
Someone who's not a musician and doesn't live in his mother's basement, or she thinks that he doesn't live in her basement, but we don't know too much about him.
His name is Jonah. He's an actor. He lives in the neighborhood, and I met him at Kinko's.
An actor, huh?
They're not like musicians.
They're worse.
No, this guy is great. He went to a really good school. He has an agent.
Who's his agent?
I don't know. We've been to lunch 2 days in a row. I'm having his babies. 2. And we're gonna go to yard sales in the Catskills and grow old together.
Does he know that?
I haven't told him yet.
Smooth move.
Maybe all this suffering over the past few months has just been to prepare me, to open me for this moment, for this guy.
You're a romantic.
And what is wrong with that, you know?
I don't know, Megan. It's just that you have the tendency to completely throw yourself into things. I think you should just take it slow. Slow.
Oh, ye of little faith.
Tell me about it.
What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Just, you could use a little dose of what she's got.
Well, thank you, Matthew.
Okay, you guys are ganging up on me, and I don't like it. Stop it, now.
Hey guys! The sale at Saks is some kind of training ground for some kind of kamikaze military thing. Those girls in kitten heels are dangerous.
Can I have my keys back, please?
Oh, sure. Sorry. Here we are.
Thank you.
Ah, look. Mine too. They were here the whole time. Silly me.
Not acceptable, Erica. Know where your keys are at all times.
I do. Just sometimes I can't locate them.
One of these days, you're gonna get locked out of the apartment, and nobody's gonna be here to bail you out. What then?
Cameron,
If you can locate him.
please, between the beeper and the PM New York Club Index, he's easy.
He's easy, but can you locate him?
That's funny. Why are you wearing Nisha's robe? Are you guys doing some kind of role-playing thing?
I'm gonna go change.
Hey, guys, did you notice Andy acting weird today?
Weird how?
Weird, disturbed, weird, not like her. You didn't notice anything?
Do you think something's wrong?
Well, I don't know. I have a feeling, maybe. Something's up.
Yes, I'll meet with you. Yes, just please stop calling me, okay? You can't call me every day. Fine. Tomorrow night, Havana, New York, 9 o'clock. Have them put out the Malbec.